In this tutorial, I will show you how to set a song as ringtone on Android phone in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your home screen, open settings. Here you have to find sound and vibration and click on it. Here you will see an option for ringtone. Just click on it. In my case, it is showing for SIM 1 and SIM 2. And I am going to select for ringtone SIM 1. And here scroll down. You will find an option either add ringtone or my sound. Click on it. Now just need to locate the song you want to set as ringtone. After this, it will automatically back to this interface. Just scroll it. Here you will find the song you have just selected. Just click on it, then click on OK. After this, your song will be set as ringtone. If you want to download free music for ringtone, just open any of the browser and search for Pixabay. Now you have to open its official website. Now click on join and sign up. After this, scroll above series of options and click on music. Now scroll down. Here you will find music. You can download any music by just clicking on download icon and your music will be downloaded. After download, it will be shown in your downloads and you can use it as ringtone. So that's how you can set a song as ringtone on Android phone in just few easy steps.